Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use the apply function in Worksheet. This feature is very useful to edit the current structure in a job, importing parts from your database. Let's see how it works. First, you have to click on the Apply button and then choosing something to import from the database. I will pick the one such window. Once chosen, you have to click on the structure you wish to edit, and then select one of these application methods depending on what you wish to achieve. Clicking on Sash, you will keep the existing frame and replace the sash with the one from the imported structure. Clicking All will replace both frame and sash of the existing structure using the configuration of the imported one. Using InFrame, you will keep the existing frame, but you will add the whole imported structure within the frame itself. As you see, we have two frame profiles now. Using Pane is very simple because you will only replace the glass configuration on the existing structure. The glass is now changed. Anchor should be used when you are importing a structure to use as an anchor. It will be added around the existing frame. The last two buttons should be used when you want to import the structure within a single pane. Sash to glass is used to keep only the sash of the imported structure. And all to glass is used to import both frame and sash on the clicked structure. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.